What would it look like if you experienced the Big Bang? First of all the heat and density would be so intense that you wouldn't last a nanosecond. At the very first instant, our physics completely breaks down. Everything is packed into a state so hot and dense that we can barely describe it. Particles can't even exist yet, neither can you, only raw energy. But let's imagine that you had a protective bubble which also slowed down time. What kind of light show would you expect to see? Surprisingly, not that much. The universe is what we call opaque. You can't see through it. It's like a glowing fog looking the same in every single direction. Now, in less than a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a second, the universe inflates at breakneck speed. Tiny quantum fluctuations in the density of the universe stretch out, which will be the seeds that one day become galaxies. A microsecond in, particles called quarks bind to form protons and neutrons. Antimatter forms too, but almost all of it annihilates with matter. Out of every billion collisions, only one extra particle of matter survives. After a few minutes, the universe cools enough for protons and neutrons to fuse to form nuclei, and then the waiting game begins. 380,000 years later, the universe cools to about 3,000 degrees Celsius. Electrons combine with those nuclei to form the very first atoms of hydrogen and helium, and the universe finally becomes transparent, and the cosmic microwave background is finally released. A faint afterglow that we can still see today. Only much later, hundreds of millions of years on, do stars and galaxies finally start to ignite, giving the universe its first real light show. So now you know the answer to the question.